In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Keep to your Google Calendar, a nifty trick that can help you streamline your workflow and keep all your tasks organized in one place. Google Keep is a versatile note-taking service that can integrate seamlessly with Google Calendar, enabling you to create reminders and keep track of your notes right alongside your schedule. Let's dive into the steps and see how you can set this up in just a few minutes. First, you need to head over to Google Apps, make sure you're logged into your Google account, and once you're there, locate Google Keep. It's the app with a light bulb icon that helps you capture your thoughts and organize them neatly. Click on the Keep icon to open it. Once Keep is fully loaded, it's time to shift gears and open your Google Calendar. For this, go back to Google Apps and search for Google Calendar. Once you locate Calendar, open it, you'll immediately notice the structural layout of your calendar where appointments, events, and now your Google Keep notes can coexist harmoniously. Now, cast your eyes to the right sidebar of your calendar. Here, among other handy shortcuts, you'll find the Google Keep icon waiting for you. Click on it, and you'll be presented with your notes right within the calendar interface. A convenient spot for tracking your tasks, thoughts, and reminders without losing context of your other commitments. To integrate Keep even further, go ahead and click on Reminders from your calendar view. This can help you add notes directly from Google Keep into your calendar, turning them into actionable reminders. Next, return to the Keep window within the calendar and click on Take a Note. This is where the magic happens. Here you can enter your thoughts or a task you need to keep an eye on. Start by adding a title to your note. It's always good to be descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Once you've crafted your note and given it a title, click Done. This action will save your note right inside Google Keep and synchronize it with your calendar, ensuring that your note appears exactly where you need it when you need it. To confirm everything is in place, head back to Google Keep, and there you'll find the note connected with your calendar. Now, every time you have a task associated with a specific date, you can manage all your reminders without any hassles. And there you have it, a seamless connection between Google Keep and Google Calendar, helping you manage your time and tasks effectively.